and share it with your friends and families, inshallah ta'ala. So let's start with today's letters then. So today's letters are sun, 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 like the sun in the sky, sun. The next one is shan, shan, shan. The next one is son, like heavy in the back of the mouth, son, son. And the next one is bun, bun, bun. So now your go. So have a go at pronouncing these one by one. Sun, shan, son, bun, sun, shan, son, bun. Excellent. Now the next set. Bun, 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 run, run, run. The next one, run, run, run. And the last one, an, an, bun, run, an, run. Now your go now. Bun, run, an, run, bun, run, an, run. Excellent. Okay, last one now. Fun, 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 qun, qun, qun. And can, can, can. Fun, qun, can. Fun, qun, and can. Excellent. Have a go yourselves now. Fun, qun, can. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to practice some words. Have a go at pronouncing these words yourselves. Ba, ba, ba. Sun, ba, sun, ba, sun. Now have a go again with yourself now. Ba, sun, ba, sun. Excellent. Okay, next word. Have a go at trying to pronounce this. Ta, ba, qan. Ta, ba, qan. Ta, ba, qan. Pronounce it with me. Ta, ba, qan. Tabaqan. Excellent. Now have a go with yourselves. Tabaqan. Excellent. Right, next word. Have a go at pronouncing this. Dhan can. Dhan can. Dhan can. Dhan. Dhan. can, ظن can, ظن can. Have a go at it yourselves now. ظن can, ظن can. ليلا, ليلا. Have a go at yourselves. ليلا, 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 ليلا. Excellent. Have a go at yourselves. ليلا. Excellent. Okay, now another one. Try pronouncing this yourselves now. صرفا, 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 صرفا. Excellent. Now have a go at yourself now. صرفا, صرفا, صرفا. Okay, have a go at this one now. أرضا, أرضا, أرضا. Notice the raw sound I'm making. Like a rolling. أرضا, أرضا, أرضا. Have a go at yourselves now. أرضا, أرضا. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Right, finally, let's look at a verse. Try to pronounce this. رب اشرح لي صدري, رب اشرح لي صدري. Say it with me. رب اشرح لي صدري. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you very much for watching this video. Jazakumullah khair. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Yes, share this video, give us likes as well. The likes help out a lot. It makes the video reach out to more people around the world, so more people can benefit from this as well, inshallah. So if you have any sort of questions, please leave them in the comments below, and try watching it again once or twice or 3 times or even 10 times if you have to be able to fully understand this lesson. And jazakumullah khair.